Hi everyone. I'm in Daytona Beach, Florida, and it is reminding me about physical asset management, specifically reliability-centered maintenance. And I thought I would debunk one of the misconceptions of the process. See, a lot of people think that if you do reliability-centered maintenance, you have to do it on all of your equipment, but actually that isn't necessarily the case. When you take, just for example, a plant or a facility, there can be thousands of assets in that organization, and it's probably just not feasible to do a process like reliability-centered maintenance on everything. But the way to begin and the way to move forward is to figure out what pieces of equipment maybe are giving you the most trouble or the most pain, and figure out what pieces of equipment are most critical. You start with those. And then you can identify other pieces of equipment that maybe you won't do a full-blown reliability-centered maintenance process on it. Maybe there are some other processes that those pieces of equipment could benefit from. So there you have it. If someone says if you do reliability-centered maintenance, you have to do it on all of your equipment, well, that just isn't so. Just like there are a whole lot of different kind of fish in the ocean, there are a lot of different improvement initiatives that you can do on your equipment. And reliability-centered maintenance is one of them, but you don't necessarily need to do it on all of your equipment. I'm Nancy Regan. Thank you for watching.